Hello, welcome to Calendar and Math for today. Let's get started. I'll bring our April calendar right up to you. You will see that yesterday was the 13th, so today is now highlighted. Let's say our today's statement together. Today is April 14th, 2020. Look right above April 14th. What day of the week is today? It is Tuesday. Good job. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. All right. So let's take a look at how many days we've been in school. As of yesterday, it was 147, and there were 7 straws in the ones column. I am going to add another straw to the ones column. So if there were 7 yesterday, and I just added 1 more, there are now 8 straws in the ones column. Good job. So read that number for me. How many days have we been in school? 148 days. That's correct. What does the number 148 mean? Yes, it means 1 group of 100, 4 groups of 10. There are those. And 8 ones. Let's see if I can get them all. And 8 ones. There they are. Whoop. 1 down. Always. I always drop them when we get to a higher number, don't I? All right, here we go. Let's count our 148. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148. Excellent. Let's build the number 148 with our base 10s. How do I make the number 148? Yes, I need 1 100ths flat. There it is right there, 1 100. I need 4 sticks of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks of 10. Good job. So 1 100, 4 sticks of 10, and yes, I need to get 8 ones. Let's see if I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I now have 8 ones in my hand. Whoops, one just dropped. So 148 with 1 on the ground. 148. That's how we build 148. Excellent. All right. So now let's work on writing the number 148. We have our 1 straight down in the hundreds column. We have our 4 in the tens column, little down, little over, all the way down. And we have our 8. Make our S and close it up. 148. Very nice work today. Thank you, and thank you, Blair. All right, so yesterday, and our very first number talk this week, I asked you to order some numbers, and you did such a great job. A lot of you told me my strategy I used was my counting strategy, because I know when I count, I say 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and the 10s were all the same, and the ones kept getting bigger, you told me. That was excellent thinking there. I liked how somebody told me they used their hundreds chart to take a look at it and make sure. That was excellent work. Well, today's number talk is a little bit harder because today I didn't put numbers that come in order with counting. They're a little spread apart, so you're going to have to do even more thinking. Oh my goodness, it does still say order from least to greatest, so we're still going from the smallest to the biggest number, but here are our numbers today that we're ordering. We have 35, we have 40, we have 31, 45, 38, and 42. Got to get those numbers in order from the least, the smallest, to the greatest. Give me that number talk. Give your adult that number talk. How do you know which one's the smallest all the way up to which one is the greatest? Work on that for me. The other thing I asked you to do yesterday was send in to me some story problems that you wrote using our addition, two-digit addition that we've been working on. And here was the very first one I received yesterday. So I chose it. I got more than just this one. So be on the lookout for yours. And if you haven't sent it to me yet, send it in so I can maybe get yours up here. But here we go. Let's look at the very first one I received yesterday. It said, Mrs. Jarvis has 52 pens. Cam has 44 pens. And King has 10 pens. How many pens in all? Prove it. Oh my goodness gracious. This friend made it a little hard on us, didn't they? They gave us 3 different numbers to work with. Tell me, what are those 3 important numbers we have to know to be able to solve this story problem? What are they? You're right. We have to know that Mrs. Jarvis has 52 pens, that Cam has 44 pens, and that King has 10 pens. All 3 of those numbers are important in this story problem. Oh my. Okay, so now let's read it a second time and see, what question is it asking us to do? Okay. Mrs. Jarvis has 52 pens, Cam has 44 pens, and King has 10 pens. How many pens in all? Prove it. So what question is it asking us to solve? Oh, it's asking us, how many pens do we all have together? And to prove it, so Mrs. Jarvis's pens, Cam's pens, and King's pens, all of them all together, and prove that we're right? My goodness, I think we might have to draw some base 10 sticks and dots for this one. I think we may have to. I'm moving on to our third one, aren't I? I'm going to read it our third time. I want you to tell me, what is your strategy? What are you going to use to solve this tricky story problem? Don't get started until you've thought it through. Here we go. Mrs. Jarvis has 52 pens, Cam has 44 pens, and King has 10 pens. How many pens in all? Prove it. Think through. What are you going to do? I like your good thinking. Go ahead and get started and prove that work to me. Send it in, and I can't wait to see what tomorrow's problem is going to be. Bye-bye.